Hello. Back with another review slash unboxing for you of another Vont product. I've looked at Vont products before. This just arrived, and all I did was cut the tape off here just to make it a little easier. But there's two in here. It is the Vont Spark LED headlamp flashlight, 2-pack, obviously. Super bright headlamp suitable for running, camping, hiking, climbing, fishing, hunting, jogging. Headlight includes red light headlamps for adults and kids. It's $9.99, prime shipped on Amazon. So actually, you're getting the two of them for $10, which isn't too bad. Supposedly IPX5 waterproof rated. They're drop resistant, portable, obviously. 7 light modes. Again, they just have arrived, so I don't know. I haven't opened them up or nothing like that yet. It's a VIP club thing here. Okay, we have 2 of them in here, as I said. These are headlamps now. They're single ones. Elastic strap here, of course, and it's a belt style. So you easy to adjust. If it's on your head, you can kind of adjust the angle here, like so. Now, I'm guessing. Let's see. There it goes. Oh, it needs batteries. Uh-oh. Give me 1 minute. Actually, not even that. Hold on. Sorry. Guess I should have opened it up, before. Luckily, I had batteries close by. Thought they come with batteries. Whoops, I guess they didn't. My fault. Sorry. 3 AAAs is what it uses. Far light opens up here. It looks like there is a gasket in here, maybe? Really can't tell. Feels like there's one in there. I don't know. Okay, so here, and here. Hey! Alright, put that back in. Okay. And there we have the front. LEDs. I'm guessing these are the red ones on the sides here, and this is the main one. Supposed to have the 90 hours for battery life. The lights are oh, okay, the main light, low, medium, high strobe, and the side lights are low SOS and strobe. I don't see any. Yeah, I don't see any lumens of how bright it is. I don't see anything there. Oh well. So push the button and it's on. Yeesh! Wow. Yes, it's really bright. So 2 is off, I guess. 1, 2, 3. Oh wow. Okay. There's our strobe. Well, how do we turn the side ones on then? There's no instructions. Oh, wait here. Yeah, red beams on the side. Low, medium, high strobe, and then low SOS and strobe for the red. So, there's no instructions. Huh. Okay, so let's try this then. There it goes. Aha, hold it in, you get that. Click it, you... SOS for red. Wonder if, oh, okay, so just on all the time, which is actually nice. Really? Casey, please. Okay, so off. And there's our strobe light. And that's it then. Oops. Okay, so we're in the mode. I guess we're stuck in the mode then. So we have to hold it in again. Or maybe not. Okay, how do I get it back to the other mode? What? Okay. Hold the button for 3 seconds, then continue normal 1 second presses. Wait a minute. So 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Nope. How do I get it back to normal? Okay then. I wish it came with instructions, but it didn't. If you have the red light on and shut it off without changing it back to white, when you turn it back on, it will still be red. It remembers the mode you're in. To get out of red mode, press and hold the button for 3 seconds. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Ah, there we go. Okay. So, yeah, it's extremely bright. So we got 1, 2, 3. That's very, very bright. And there's our strobe. There's no SOS. I thought there was. I thought there was SOS for white. Huh. Oh no, it's just high in strobe. Okay. Oops, my fault. What a mess. Alright, instructions would be nice, guys. Yeah, Vont, instructions would have been nice to include with it here. But it feels nicely made for what it is, and this is, for me, would be more for something for work, I think. Or down in my basement, stuff like that, when I'm doing a little bit of plumbing or whatever. A light is nice, and I do like the idea that it, adjusts like so. So you can just, have it aiming down where you're at instead of having to, tilt your whole head down with it on your head. For the price, though, I mean, for $10, you're getting 2 of them. You're getting 2 of them, which is $5 each. And, yeah, I mean, it's extremely, Jesus. Wow, holy bright Batman. But yeah, lightweight, not bad. The headband here seems comfortable. I'm not going to put it on right this second. But it is a soft material. There's no padding here, though, which I guess it won't matter too much. But that's it, though. Vont Spark LED headlamp flashlight. For what it is, I do like it. Rechargeable would be nice, but I guess you could just use rechargeable batteries. It would have been nice if they came with batteries and if it came with instructions. So, instructions. One of the reviews here is by far the comfiest headlamp I've ever owned. Okay, then. I guess that's a good thing. But that's it. Vont Spark LED headlamp. Thanks.